Hello. See there, I uploaded the file successfully and status is active. Okay. This is the list I uploaded. ID. This is the name. This is the file name. Status active. Contact total 276. Mobile number found 700 877. Landline 1222. And this is the all details here. Health score is 100, and upload time uh, here. You need to find this info. Go to the contact menu and then go the contact list. When you go to the contact list, and this is the first option, this is the file I uploaded few minutes ago. Hope you find the file. This is the from this current location. Thanks.